Hello, in this video we will be showing the REvil ransomware. REvil is also known as ransomware evil. This ransomware was most famously used in the recent Kaseya and Colonial pipeline ransomware attacks. It is most commonly used by a Russian-based hacking group. This machine was set up to contain a variety of data files, including a text file we can use to see the data encryption. We also installed NeuShield Data Sentinel on this computer to show the recovery features. The way this ransomware works is that it uses one of the older Microsoft antivirus engines that has the sideloader DLL vulnerability. In this case, we are using the engine that came from Windows 8.1. The DLL file is the real ransomware used in the recent attacks. So to create maximum damage, we run this ransomware with administrator privilege. Once you see that the ransomware is running another copy of the anti-malware service executable host program, which is the Microsoft antivirus engine, it begins to damage all the data files. As you can see, once it finishes damaging all the data files, it changes your desktop. You can see that the data files also become unreadable and turn into scrambled data. In order to begin the recovery, the first thing we're going to do is use the one-click restore to clean the machine and remove any traces of the ransomware from this machine. The one-click restore is now in progress and will bring the machine back to the previous state where it was clean, affecting the operating system and all the applications. However, the data files in this machine will not be affected. Restoring the machine causes it to reboot. Once the machine comes back, we will use mirror shielding to recover the rest of the data. We fast forward the video here, but the complete process took about 8 minutes on this system. Now that the machine is back up, we will work to recover the data. The first thing we will do is recover the Documents folder. To do this, we will right-click on the Documents folder, select NeuShield, and click Revert Changes. As you can see, all the data has been recovered. Next, we will recover the desktop. We do this in 2 stages. The first part is from our GUI, where we recover the user's desktop. For the next stage, we will recover the public desktop. So as you can see, we have recovered the documents, the desktop, and we have cleaned this system up so that it no longer has the REvil ransomware on it. Thank you for watching this video.